Hey Niall, loving your videos, but can you please do some simpler songs? I gotcha. Here's a song with 4 chords, repeated over and over. Nice easy chords, a simple rhythm. I'll talk you through it, play it slowly, then build it up to speed. So let's get into Viva la Vida by Coldplay.
Very nice.
Originally, it was recorded in F minor. But I've done it here in E minor because the chords are so nice and easy. If you want to play in the original key, just pop a capo here on fret 1 and you're good to go. 4 chords you'll need, so you got a C, but with a G on the treble E string, so that it looks like this. Then you got a D, a G, E minor add 9, so that's an E minor, but with a 2nd fret on the treble E string. For the bridge, you'd also need an E minor, the normal E minor. So here we go, the rhythm pattern. So it's a 2-part rhythm. You've got the first chord, which is the C. You've got 4 downs on the C. That's 3 staccato, and the 4th one leads into the D. Those 4 go. Then you got up, 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 down, down on the D. So those first 2 chords go. To speed up the changes, you might like to change during that last down on the C, like this. Now you notice I muted those open strings with the down like this. There it goes. Then the next 2 chords are G and E minor 6, and it's the same pattern. Down, 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 down on the G, then up, 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 down, down on the E minor 6, like this. So all around it goes. The bridge is also nice and simple. It's C, E minor 3 times and then a D. And it's the same strumming pattern for the C and the E minor. And it's an ordinary C. So that goes. And the D is a muted down, then up, up, down, down. Twice, like this. And then you're back to your C, D, and so on. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, don't be shy, leave a comment below, like if you like, subscribe to the channel here, watch another similar video up here or my latest here. Thanks again for watching. I'm Niall. Learn a tune a week and build up your chops.